Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Callie and I make videos related to modest fashion, makeup, and lifestyle every Friday here on this channel. So please subscribe down below if you are interested in those genres, and also please give this video a like if you enjoy it. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup organization video. It's pretty bad, so don't judge too hard. So this is what the top of the drawer looks like. These are just a bunch of makeup bags. These are unused brushes. This has some bronzer, blush, and highlighter. There's this. And then this is what we're looking at. So I've just got a big mess everywhere, and I definitely need to get this cleaned out. Let's just get started. Voiceover Callie here. I was trying to show you guys exactly like where everything was. Basically, I just separated everything into separate piles. So, you know, chapsticks, lipstick, eyeliner, eyeshadow, that kind of stuff. And then after this, I went ahead and washed all of my makeup brushes. I just figured this would be a lot easier for me to just do a voiceover real quick than to try and edit me stumbling over where each tiny little pile is. This is the finished result. It is still very full, except for down there. I still have to put my brushes back in. As you can see, they are still drying on my bed. So I'm gonna let those finish up with drying before I put them away. I know it still looks very full, but it is way more organized. So under here, I still have that little Ulta Beauty case. In here, I have cream eyeshadows. In here, I have my lip glosses and tinted chapsticks. And then I had these 3 stick blushes that I didn't really have a place for. So right here, I have some highlighters, a bronzer, and then an eyebrow pomade. I've got cream blushes right there. These are all my powder blushes. These are my cream blushes. These are my loose powders. These 3 jars are where all of my brushes go. There's my little brush cleaning egg, makeup remover, makeup removing wipes, my setting spray, makeup removing wipes, liquid eyeshadow, liquid lipstick, and lip liners. These are eyeshadow palettes. I have a contour palette and a highlighting palette in there as well. These are all of my lip balms and chapsticks. Up here I have lipsticks. Then over here I have some foundations. There's just a little sharpener right there. So a pressed setting powder, a primer, a color correcting palette, some liquid highlighter, eyelash curler, contour stick, eyeshadow primer, concealer and a color corrector, concealer, mascaras. Those are all eyeliners, and then these are all eyebrow products. This is everything I've got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next week.